Okay, so let's look at the past simple. Past simple. It is a single, so one, finished, 100% action in the past. From the past. Something that was completed earlier. It's done. It's finished. It's over. I cleaned the car. We have the verb here, clean, then the past simple ed, cleaned the car. I cleaned the car. You repaired the pen. Repair, ed, repaired the pen. I washed the car. Clean, wash. Cleaned, washed. Teach, taught. I taught a lesson. I taught a lesson yesterday. Makes sense. So we have the subject, verb, and the rest of the sentence. So I read the book. I read the book yesterday. I read the book. I read it yesterday. I read it last year. You read the instructions. You read the instructions. You read the manual. Okay. He drove, drive, drove. Because not every verb, it simply adds ed. Some are irregular. So they have their own irregular rules. Drove and drive. I drove a car. He drove a car. He drove a car. Makes sense. She wrote the novel. She wrote the novel. Very nice. We, you and I, we listened to the music. We have listen and listened. Listened to the music. They cleaned the house. They repaired the road. Makes sense. So a single, just one, finished, 100% action in the past. I taught the lesson. You listened to the class. I cleaned the car. You repaired the pen. We learnt the lesson. I taught you. You learnt from me. Makes sense. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep going.